The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is on its way, and excitement is building. Following the success of the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung aims to raise the bar even higher with the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. This year, Samsung is expected to emphasize artificial intelligence and Galaxy AI, along with several other exciting new features to stay ahead of the competition. Leaked details. According to a leak from the Korean website FN News, Samsung plans to reveal its Galaxy S25 series on January 22, 2025, which is a week earlier than the Galaxy S24 series released last year. Alongside the existing General, Plus, and Ultra models, Samsung is introducing a new thin model designed for the increasing demand for slimmer and lighter smartphones. While the exact thickness of the thin variant hasn't been announced, it is expected to be slimmer than the 7.6mm thick S24 General model. Cutting-edge features. The Galaxy S25 series will be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, ensuring top-tier performance across all models. The Ultra model will come with a 50-megapixel ultrawide camera, an upgrade from the 12-megapixel ultrawide camera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Additionally, the Ultra will offer 16 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. Enhanced display technology. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its upgraded M13 Plus OLED display, which offers greater power efficiency, vibrancy, and clarity compared to previous models. The series will also include Samsung's breakthrough anti-reflective coating, minimizing screen glare for better outdoor visibility. Release and pre-order dates. Mark your calendars. The Galaxy Unpacked event is scheduled for January 23, 2025, at 3 a.m. Korea Standard Time, which corresponds to January 22 in the United States, specifically in San Jose, California. Here are the key dates to remember. Pre-orders, January 24 to February 3, 2025. Early access for reservations, February 4, 2025. Official launch in Korea, February 7, 2025. Due to time zone differences, the global release timeline may vary slightly. For instance, the Korean release on February 7 may equate to February 6 in the US and Europe. New accessories. Samsung is also introducing exciting new accessories for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, including Ghost Grip and Prism cases, as well as a variety of back panel skins. These accessories are designed to enhance the user experience and provide additional protection. Innovative satellite connectivity. One of the most exciting rumored features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is satellite connectivity, which will allow users to send emergency messages in areas with low network coverage. This feature could be a game-changer for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Conclusion. With its high-end features and cutting-edge technology, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is poised to set a new standard for flagship smartphones. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch date. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching.